Hey guys, what's up? Marissa here. Welcome to this video where I'll be talking about multiple streams of income. It'll be geared a little bit towards the online business space and affiliate marketing because that is what I have personal experience with. So in this video, I'm going to give you guys really an outline of what I would do if I was starting from zero and I wanted to create multiple streams of income for myself. So go ahead and stay tuned for this video after this. Alright, in this video I want to get down to business with multiple streams of income. So I hope you guys stay to the end of this video to really get a game plan on how it is you want to go about making multiple streams of income in your online business or starting an online business, and what I would do again if I had to start all over again. This is exactly what I would do. Really quick, if you're new to the channel, thank you for arriving and watching this video. My name is Marissa Romero. What you can expect on this channel is all things online marketing, self-growth topics, and travel. So if any of that is your jam, go ahead and smash that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and give this video a thumbs up if you got a game plan out of it. All right, guys, so let's go ahead and get right into it. So first of all, I wanted to be very clear that in order to create multiple streams of income, and that term sounds very sexy to everybody, but I wanted to emphasize that to create that, you're first going to have to put in the work. You're going to have to put in the active income, the active work that we are all accustomed to. So what does that mean? That means trading your time for money, because people think that it is the multiple streams of income. They're just going to come flashing down from the streams of the gods of multiple streams of income, and there's going to be 20s and hundreds just, actively going into your bank account every single day with the switch of a button, and that is not how it works, guys. So I just wanted to emphasize the point that you need to have an active source of income that is paying you first to be able to work on your first stream of income online so that you can turn it into a passive stream of income, because essentially that is what the goal is when we're talking about multiple streams of income. We can't have too many active streams because we can't work, and pull ourselves in too many directions. It's just impossible. So my first order of business and my first advice is do whatever you can, whatever it takes to create an online business or an online stream of income. Now for me, I choose affiliate marketing as my main online business, so marketing other people's products. So what exactly is that going to take first to learn how to build an online business? Now I'm currently helping a lot of people who are really eager to take action right now, and I'm helping them build their businesses online because they've shared an extreme passion for something and they wanted to get started, and really they want to build something for themselves, an asset, which will eventually turn into a stream of income. And my first advice to them is they need to learn the principles of marketing. They need to learn, about traffic sources. They need to learn about sales funnels, email marketing, all that good stuff. But primarily, the very first thing you have to consider is that you're going to need to give value and create content, all right? So, of course, you're going to need to pick the vehicle, the online business vehicle that's going to bring you that income stream, whether that's e-commerce, being a social media marketing manager, doing affiliate marketing, doing some type of paid advertising for somebody else, learning Facebook ads, learning Google ads, whatever it is. And people want to skip this part. They don't want to invest the time to put into learning the skill behind what it is that's going to be creating that income stream for you. Okay, so here's where I would start. I would start with picking a niche and giving value in that niche and building an email list, okay? An email list is so crucial to any business, and it is pretty much the first step or the first line of multiple streams of income that you can create for yourself, because when you build up an email list who's interested in a specific niche, let's say fitness, okay, we'll use the fitness niche. When you build up a list in the fitness niche, that is an instant source of traffic for you and your online business. Okay, well then what's the next step? How do you get people to trust you and give them your information? Well, that's where you establish a solid lead magnet, and not just any lead magnet. A lead magnet could be anything from an ebook, a free mini course, PDFs, free training series, free webinars on something that you can share valuable information and teach people something. So when people come to your, wherever it is, your YouTube or your social media platform or your website, and they're wanting to learn more, you build your email list by offering this one thing for free so that they can opt in, get the information, and start learning from you and your brand. Okay, so once you have your email list built up, it'll be small at first, anywhere from 50 to 100 people, and it'll grow very slowly. You need to continue to email your subscribers, email them your video of the day, email them a picture, email them an article, things that you're learning. Just email them and talk to them as if they were your students and that they're trying to learn something for you. So you need to nurture and establish a relationship with those subscribers first. Okay, so we started with building an email list and having a lead magnet to build that list. Now what we're going to talk about is affiliate marketing to add on another another stream of income to this online business. So with affiliate marketing, it's great because you have this list and you can send affiliate offers to your list and market different products within the fitness niche. It could be any type of product that you believe in and that you would use yourself. Okay, and here's why I love affiliate marketing, because there's different products that people can market. One type of affiliate marketing product I love to market is one that has recurring commissions. Okay, and the other I like to market is a product that offers high ticket commission. So let's say you're in the fitness niche and you know a personal trainer that maybe offers a $2,000 program for somebody to work with him one-on-one. You can send an email to your list and say, hey, I have this buddy of mine. He's a phenomenal personal trainer. Check out the results. He's helped people get with losing weight or building muscle, whatever it is. And if they join his program and it's $2,000, you could potentially get a $500 to $1,000 commission for sending that referral to that personal trainer. And that is what I mean by high ticket, right? So and that brings me to my next point is you want to establish a value ladder for the products, either your products or your affiliate products that you're marketing. So a value ladder means that you're starting lower. Maybe you're offering promoting a $7 product. The next offer you would market would be $27. The next one would be $100, and the value ladder continues go up all the way to $1,000 or more. So that is how the affiliate marketing really comes into play with establishing multiple income streams with this email list. And it doesn't stop there with affiliate marketing. You can easily add on other types of things to your online business, such as offering your own services. You can offer a membership group where you have people pay you month by month to maybe join a private Facebook group where you are teaching a specific skill, something within your niche. And that is a great business model, because although you do have to work actively and put in the time to work to coach these people, you can set it up where you're coaching maybe 2 times a week or 4 times a month or whatever it is. You set the schedule, and that could be an added income stream. It can be a great active income stream because you're helping people actively and putting in that work. I mean, that's all satisfying to everybody, is helping people, right? That's what it's about, is helping people. And you can have your affiliate products doing the hard work for you and bringing in that passive income, by emailing your list these affiliate products. So I hope this makes sense to you, you guys. If you click on the first link in the description of this video, I have more videos that go into depth on setting up this type of business, and also my #1 recommended product for creating multiple streams of income for yourself. It's the main product that I promote that brings in multiple streams of income for me every single month, on top of the services that I offer and on top of the money that I make from the YouTube partnership program and the Google ad revenue that I receive from Google. So again, take action today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. My name is Marissa Romero. I will see you guys very soon on the next video. Take care.